How to remove Meta AI from Messenger. Hey there. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the Meta AI option from your Facebook Messenger app. If you're not a fan of this new feature and want to get rid of it, stick around until the end and I'll guide you through the necessary steps. Locate the Facebook Messenger app on your home screen and give it a long press. You'll see a few options pop up and you'll want to tap on the app, which will open the app menu settings. Once you're in the app menu settings, click on the Uninstall option to remove the Facebook Messenger app from your phone completely. Now open up your web browser and search for Facebook Messenger Old Version APK on Google. You'll get several search results, but make sure to choose a trusted website to download the APK file for Facebook. Look for an APK version from around the end of 2023, March or the beginning of April 2023, as those versions don't include the Meta AI feature. After downloading the APK file, head over to your Downloads folder and tap on the Facebook Messenger APK file. Since you've already uninstalled the Messenger app, you should see an Install option. Tap on it and follow the installation process to get the older version of the Facebook mobile app on your phone. Once the app is installed, log in using your email and password. Then, open the Facebook Messenger app. When you open your chats, you shouldn't see the Meta AI option anymore. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully disable the Meta AI feature from your Facebook Messenger app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.